Welcome to GiveMeApps, the app mall. Apps for every smartphone, tablet, and device. GiveMeApps, the only app store on the planet, giving developers the full 100% of their download profits. Today's app up for grabs is EchoHacks Speech Trainer. This is by developer EchoHacks. The premise of the app is to allow the user to hear themselves speak for the purposes of training their speech. You may have an accent. You may have other speech issues that you may not be aware of. This is a great app just to take out for a test drive. A lot of us speak and think nothing of the way we speak, and other people may pick up on some of the speech impediments or other issues that we may have, and this could bring a lot of those issues to light. The app itself is very simple. If you look at the screen, you'll see the standby button. This is awaiting speech input, and to get this app rolling, you press the standby button, and bang, you see the echo button now, and it will play back everything you say. How quick it plays back all depends on the output delay setting, and that can be set from 1 second all the way up to 30 seconds. Now, you may be asking yourself this question, and I found myself asking this question the minute I downloaded this app. Why would you need this when every smartphone today has a voice recorder? Now, the first thing that I did was I went to their website, and I'm going to read what they have on their website about this. And the question presented on the website literally is, why should I use this application instead of a standard voice recorder? And according to EchoHacks, for most of us without specific training, our voice will sound very different than how we perceive. If you have an accent, you will start to notice the minor accent in some part of the speech that you were not aware of before. They then give two examples. Here's example 1. Our voice that is generated by the vocal cord is traveling to the brain in two pathways, through external auditory canals and directly through the tissues of the head and bones. However, our audience listens to our sound that is traveling through air only. When we listen to ourselves, we have another physical layer that changes the original sound. So, in other words, it's difficult for us to listen to our own voice objectively without introducing any kind of bias. And that does make a lot of sense. Second example says that when we listen to our own voice, our brain is doing two things. It's allowing us to speak and listen, and it's tough to do both at the same time. So with that in mind, let's just dig into the app. As I said earlier, you're presented with this screen. It says standby, it's awaiting input. Now you have to use a headset with this app. I think that's my one gripe with this. I would love if a future version of this app would let you use a speakerphone also. It's just a little more convenient. I started out reviewing this on the iPod Touch, and I don't have a headset that I can use with that. I only have headphones, so I couldn't use it on the iPod Touch. So I instead downloaded the Android version, and we're good to go. The screen you're seeing here in the Android version of the app is the exact same screen that you would see on an iOS device. So we press standby, and once we press standby, we're brought to the echo screen, and we start speaking away. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
What's going on?
What's going on?
So you can hear it coming out of the headset, and that pretty much does it. EchoHacks website also goes on to say that with a voice recorder, you'd have to press start, you have to press record, you have to press play, etc. With this, we're just pressing one button, and that's it, and we're good to go. Other things on the app. If you press the I button, you get some information there. You can write a review about the app, visit them on Facebook. They have a wonderful discussion forum area. You can check that out, and you can go to their website. And if you press on EchoHacks.com, obviously, you'll be taken to their website. And there we go. You can see it loading up. Other than that, it does what it says, and it works. That's all you need to know. You can enjoy speech training all day long with this app. So there you have it, folks. Remember, in addition to downloading apps at GiveMeApps, you can get the latest mobile tech news, shop for phones and accessories, or chat in our online community. Till next time.